Hey guys, it's JV Charles here at GardenJosiah.com. So you've worked all spring to create your perfect garden oasis, but now summer vacation is calling. What do you do with your garden while you're away this summer? Well, hopefully, here at Garden Josiah, we got a couple cool ideas that might help you out. First up, make sure to water your plants thoroughly before you leave. Consider investing in a timer for your sprinkler system or ask a neighbor to help out with the watering while you're gone. Next, harvest any ripe fruits or veggies. Either enjoy them before you leave or give them to a friend or your neighbors. You don't want all your hard work to go to waste. And if you'll be gone for an extended period of time, consider setting up a shade cloth to protect your plants from the scorching summer sun. This will help prevent them from wilting or drying out when you're gone. That way you can relax and enjoy yourself and not trip out on your vegetables. Lastly, lay down a thick layer of mulch around your plants to help retain moisture in the soil and suppress weeds. This will help give your garden a fighting chance while you're away. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that your garden will thrive even when you're off enjoying your summer vacation. Happy gardening, guys. Have a great time this summer. Remember, playing in the dirt has been proven to bring happiness. Put some hearts down in the comment section for Josiah. He loves to see them. Thanks, guys. And check us out over at GardenJosiah.com. We've got tons and tons of blogs on awesome stuff about the garden.
Check out our crooked yellowneck squash this year. Hey guys, check out our cucumbers this year. Hey guys, check out our zucchini this year.